Bakery has base ingredients like lined with flour, shortening, sugar, eggs, water, or milk. Also, it utilizes additives like enzymes, humectants, antioxidant, emulsifier, and starch modifier. Have you ever thought about how can we make bakery food healthy, sustainable, and cost-effective? The following companies and universities are working on improving functional properties and introducing healthy ingredients in bakeries. For example, companies like Banixay, Ardent Mills, She Made Foods for gluten-free ingredients, University of Catania, and Sejong University for fat replacement, Beneo, BioNutra, and Justo for sugar replacement, Pulsgard, Moleg, and Ulrich and Short for vegan substitutes respectively. The following table represents alternative healthier ingredients that can be used instead of conventional ingredients. Some of the major challenges associated with the bakery industry are to improve shelf life and optimize processing parameters in order to get maximum output throughout the processing. Companies and universities like DSM are making use of enzyme-based amylase technology. Jelu launched humectant-based Gelucel powdered cellulose. Handri launched antioxidant-based Grodoge OED. Bread Partners launched emulsifier-based Panamix, and the Federal University of Goy has researched on modified starch. These products extend the shelf life of baked food by 3 to 6 months. Also, company like BH is focusing on equipment designing for automating personalized manufacturing of baked food by utilizing 3D printing, robotics, and AI. Would not you like to find robust solutions to these brain-tickling problems associated with the bakery? We are happy to partner to solve your problems.